Overview of Groups and Households in Financial Services Cloud. Groups and Households is available as a standard feature in your org that you can use along with the Financial Services Cloud standard objects. Groups and Households organizes a set of people and businesses with aligned goals, resulting in improved coordination, decision-making, accountability, and transparency. For example, create a group to represent a household that helps relationship managers to provide financial planning and advisory services. By grouping household members together, financial advisors can provide customized financial plans for the household members and set financial goals that reflect the collective needs and aspirations of all household members, such as retirement planning, education funding, insurance planning, and property purchases. Let us consider Rachel Adams's household. Rachel Adams, who lives with her spouse Nigel Adams, is the decision maker of their household. Rachel has an accountant to manage personal financial matters. Adams's household also has a lawyer and Adams's family trust. Now let's understand how Adams's household is represented in Salesforce. Financial Services Cloud uses Party Relationship Group, Account, Contact, Account-Contact Relation, Account-Account Relation, Contact-Contact Relation, and other relevant standard objects to represent a household and its members and the relationships between them. As you can see here, Rachel Adams and Nigel Adams are represented as person accounts. Adams's household is represented as a business account, and the associated household details are recorded using the Party Relationship Group object. An account-contact relation is used to define the roles of Rachel Adams and Nigel Adams in Adams's household. A contact-contact relation defines the relationship between Rachel Adams and the personal accountant. An account-account relation represents the relationship between Adams's household and Adams's family trust and vice versa. Now, from a high level, let's explore the steps for implementing groups and households in Financial Services Cloud. To start with, define the roles for individuals in the party relationship group. For example, in Adams's household, create a decision maker role for Rachel Adams and a group member role for Nigel Adams. Create a party role relationship of type contact-contact relation to depict the relationship between Rachel Adams and Nigel Adams, who are represented using contact records in Salesforce. Similarly, create two party role relationships of type account-account relation to depict the relationship between Adams's household and trust and inverse relationship. Adams's household and trust are represented using business accounts in Salesforce. Create person accounts and business accounts to represent the individuals and businesses of the household. For example, for Adams's household, create person accounts for Rachel Adams and Nigel Adams. Create a business account to represent Adams's family trust. Create a party relationship group of type household and add the members, related contacts, and related business accounts to it. View your household details on an Actionable Relationship Center (ARC) graph. You can use the default templates for account relations and contact relations to help you get started. Configure actions to add, edit, and delete household members on the ARC graph. To show household details on a record details page, add the ARC relationship graph component to the account object's Lightning record page. You can easily manage a household from the ARC graph by using the actions on the graph to add or edit relationships or add new members. You've learned the basics of groups and households in Financial Services Cloud. To learn more, check out these resources.